Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer WooCommerce to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, marketing and discounts. And here you're going to find the sales channels, point of sale, and online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So right now, go ahead and click on apps. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of your installed apps. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, go here to the bottom. And then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. So once you're here in this page, just go to the top. Right here, you're going to find the search bar. Give it a click. And then search for WooCommerce. Once you do that, hit enter on your keyboard. And then you're going to find all these results for your search. So go ahead and choose this option, Enable Star WooCommerce Importer. Give it a click and then click on Install right here. Migrate your products, order, and customer data from WooCommerce faster and smoother than ever before. Once you install it, go ahead and open the application. Then once you're here, all you need to do, guys, is add your WooCommerce site address right here. After that, you need to add your consumer key and also your consumer secret right here. And then once you do that, just click on begin migration, and then you're going to be able to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.